Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to explain top 10 Excel interview questions. So here I categorize into three types. One, associate or junior level. Second is executive level, and third one is data analyst and program manager. So if you are applying for the associate or junior level, normally the interviewer will ask VLOOKUP, pivot table, sum and count. So these four are very mandatory and all the candidates should aware of these formulas. Uh, and if you are applying for the executive level, so you should be knowing the difference between VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP and XLOOKUP, group by function, SUMIFS, COUNTIFS, MAXIFS, MINIFS, unique, sort, transpose, text join, if error and if functions. And you are applying for the data analyst or program manager role, so you should know how to prepare dashboards and merging formula, filter formula, data and data visibility. Apart from Excel and Google Sheet, you should be aware of on SQL, basic SQL, Python, Power BI, and you should have some certification courses. I have a sample data. In that we will cover few important formulas. So it's a food sales sample data. The first formula we require is VLOOKUP. So from this range I took ID and city. So ID is ID 07591 and I want to know the ID 07591 belongs to which city. So the formula is VLOOKUP. After entering the VLOOKUP, the bracket will open and now we have to select the search key. After entering the search key, press comma and select the range. Now I want ID and the city. So I'll select the range from ID to city. The ID is in first column, date is in second column, region is in third column and city is in fourth column. So from A to D, from here to here, so which index is required? So city is in fourth column. So I'll enter 4 and it's asking true or false. So I am entering 0. Is it sorted? Yes. For every function, if it is opened by any bracket, we should close it and press enter. See, the ID 07591 it belongs to Boston City. Yes, a VLOOKUP is completed. Yeah. Coming to the next formula, now it's a pivot table. So it is very easy and simple method for pivot table is select the range, click on insert and pivot table. Here it will ask either you have to select the new sheet or existing sheet. So I will select new sheet. So only we have to do complete these 4 steps. So what should I select in rows? So if I want city wise data means I will select city. See, 4 cities came in a column. Now in column what required, I will select region. Total 2 regions are there, and if I don't want the grand total, I'll simply untick here. See, grand total is not key. So here also in city column, if I don't want the grand total, I'll untick here. Now I'll get only city data. In values, what I require. quantity of sold, unit price or total price. So if I select quantity of sold, and you should cross check if it is in sum or count or average, all the functions are there. So the quantity sold, for that the sum is required. If I click on the count, it will show only the count. See how many entries are available. Okay, so I'll click this one. So now if I don't want the east region ka data, I will tell you how to filter it. So click on filter, add region. In all the entries, I will untick east region and click on yes. Now it's showing only the west region ka data. So this is all about the pivot table. Yeah. Next important formula is sum and count. For quantity sold, so now I'll do the sum. Sum function is very easy. Click here and sum, open bracket and select the range. After selecting the range, bracket close and enter. See, sum formula is very simple, same as count. If I change it as count, count formula is completed. Coming to executive level formula. So in most of the interview, so the interviewer will ask the question. So they want the city wise data and product wise total quantity sold, but they won't let you to do the pivot table. So the same answer how we will get? For that we have to use transpose and SUMIFS. So in a F column all the products are there. So now I want only the unique values. So here I will open unique function and select the range. The range is selected. So total how many products are there? 9 products are there. Now I want the total quantity sold. How to select total quantity sold? For that we have to use SUMIFS function. Is equal to SUMIFS, select the range. First we have to select the what we require, the quantity sold. The range selected, criteria, the product. Okay, criteria 1 is the product and criteria the range. Sorry, first we have to select the criteria range and then is the criteria. The criteria is this one and bracket close. See, so this is a total quantity sold of carrot, oatmeal, chocolate chip. So here I used SUMIFS formula. if I want the count of caret, I'll use in the COUNTIF function. So here the products are there. I select product range, comma, criteria is this, bracket close, enter. From this range, total 64 carrots are there and 3 banana. Okay. So now I want maximum total quantity sold. For that we use MAXIFS function, range quantity sold, criteria range is product and criteria is here, bracket close, enter. This is the maximum quantity sold. Same way we can use minimum. Instead of max MFS, we'll use minimum FS. We'll drag the formula. See, these are the minimum quantity sold for the respective product. So far we have covered these many functions. So what is a sort function? This will tell you. First we'll remove this. So usually in unique formula, if I select this, it's not in a ascending order. So how to do this in ascending? For that we will use sort function. Is equal to unique sort, and you have to select the range. Range selected. See, now it's in a ascending order. And the next formula is transpose. See, these entries are in vertical. So now if I want these entries if in horizontal, I have to use transpose function. In the same formula, in the starting, if I enter transpose, bracket open, if I enter, yeah, see, now all the entries are in horizontal, in columns. Guys, see here, I have combined total 3 formulas: transpose, unique, sort. And the next formula is text join. So what is text join? So text join means joining the multiple cell in a single cell. So it might be rows or column. So now I want all the cities name in a single cell with the commas, like Los Angeles, comma, Boston, comma, New York. So how we can do this? We'll use xjoin function, and the delimiter is comma, ignore empty cell, and the range is So this is the range, so I don't want city. So for that I'll select the range from here to here, bracket close, enter. See, okay. So why Los Angeles is showing multiple times? Because I have not used unique formula. So if I use unique formula, it will show only the unique values. So let's show you how to apply text join plus unique formula. Now how to add a unique function? Okay, should I add here? No, the same answer is getting. That means this function is wrong. Now, okay, we'll add here. Again, function is wrong. So where to add? The correct way is in text joining we are selecting the range here. So before selecting the range we have to use unique function. So I'll enter unique, bracket open. So how many bracket open? 1, 2. So how many bracket closed? Only one. That means we have to close this bracket and hit enter. See, Los Angeles, Boston, New York and San Diego. So total 4 cities. 4 cities are in single cell. So by this way we can add multiple values in a single cell by using text join. So now if I don't want the comma, so I want here full stop or semicolon. So whatever we require we can change it here. The delimiter, so now I use the delimiter as comma, and now I want delimiter as full stop. So see, you can see here the delimiter is full stop and I'll enter. Now see the difference. You can see here the full stop. I hope text join formula is clear. Going to the next function is filter. It is very important formula in Excel. Sometimes the interviewer will ask the question like, I want this data, but you should not use Vlookup, pivot table, and so that time you can use filter function. The filter function is very simple. So how it will work means, so usually you will filter like this. This is the data, and you will click here, filter. See, the interviewer will ask, I want west region ka data. You will select only the west. Then you will ask, I want Los Angeles ka data. Yeah. Then in category you will select, he will ask bars. In product he will ask carrot. See, but if I click here, the entire filter is gone. The same function we can use by using filter formula. Okay, first we will select the range. select this and paste it in another sheet. So here I will put filter and select the range, select from, sorry, my miss, filter, yeah, range, select. Now the condition, what is the region I want? Only west. Okay, the region curve, range selected, and the condition is that is equal to west. So I will put is equal to symbol, and the condition is west. The west is in text, so text format, no. So for that we will open double inverted comma and enter text, sorry, west region code. So what, yeah, west, comma, close and bracket close. See, only west region का data came. And if they ask the product should be carrot, okay, in the same formula, again comma, the condition 2 is select the product range and the product should be carrot. So that time we'll use is equal to open double quote, enter carrot, bracket close, enter. See, west region का only carrot product का data is here. So this is just like a coding. He might ask the carrot which I want is greater than 100. I don't want less than 100. Okay, so in a normal filter function, how you will do is you select this and what you will do, whatever less than 100 you will deselect it. Like it will take more time. Okay, instead in filter function it is very easy. So this is the, and now I am going to enter the third condition is comma, the condition is select the total price and I want greater than 100 or greater than equal to 100. If it is greater than 100 I will only use greater than ka symbol and put 100. If I am entering any numbers, so that time double inverted comma is not required. So I can directly enter any number. So if I want greater than equal to 100 means greater than equal to 100, bracket close and enter. See, below 100 ka number is not showing here. So hope it's clear. The filter function is very important in executive level interviews. So in our next session, we'll complete dashboard creation, merging formula, filter formula is already discussed, and data visibility. This we will cover in next session. So those who are not subscribed, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.